Some belated congratulations are in order for the outstanding young Jamaican triple jumper, Jaydon Hibbert, who broke the 30-odd-year-old world junior record, leaping to an impressive 17.87 meters. That in and of itself was brilliant. But what is even more staggering is that the 17.87 meters is actually the world lead in the event. In other words, 18-year-old Jaydon Hibbert is currently, as we speak, up to this time, the leading triple jumper in the entire world. And look, the triple jump is not the most glamorous event in athletics. So performances in this event will never get the kind of attention that the 100 meters or the 200 meters or even the hurdle performances will get. There is really no equality in track and field, especially in Jamaica. But this one broke the barrier. This one cracked the case. An 18-year-old Jamaican junior in a non-traditional event, jumping off 11 or 12 strides, and is the top triple jumper in the world, Jamaica. This one I need crowd. People don't come down this need crowd. So what you this need crowd, so what you this need crowd.